This year, you created. You inspired. You brought more than 5.8 million videos to life. More than 220,000 hours of video created by you, with an average creation time of just 2 minutes and 45 seconds. You turned ideas into videos faster than ever. Millions showed up. An average of 2.6 million sessions every month. We worked as a team. We listened to you. We heard your stories, your ideas, your wins. We showed up at conferences, on calls, and in communities. We made new friends. And together, we grew. Nearly 200,000 brand kits were created, helping brands look consistent, clear, and professional. Over 3 million assets were uploaded. More stories, more voices, more creativity. We launched new tools to make video even smarter. An AI script generator, smart layouts, AI Studio, a Google Chrome extension, and more. We scaled, we refined, we delivered. We supported creators and businesses worldwide. 4.5 million new creators joined the platform this year. But most of all, we moved closer to democratizing video for you. Because your stories matter. Your ideas deserve to be seen, heard, and shared. This is just the beginning. We cannot wait to see what you create next. Start with a click, end with a story. With Pictory.